Hey folks, Dan Frio here with your market update for August 23rd, 2024. So the rates inched up a little bit yesterday, but that's a thing of the past now, because right now, Federal Chairman Powell, he is speaking in front of basically the world, and whatever he's saying is working because mortgage rates are coming down and coming down drastically. So let's get over to the economic calendar to see what's happening right now. So right now, the only thing that we had, and I've been waiting for it, is existing home sales. New home sales right through here. It blew away the numbers. Last reading was the number of homes sold was 668,000. Now it's 739,000. This is causing people's heads to pop right now. They're like, the market's going to crash. The market's going to crash. Unfortunately, it's not crashing. Okay, so over through here, here's the economic news we have, and this is specific right through here. We had building permits. It was basically kind of, I will just say it's in line. The last reading was 1.4. Came in at 1.4. We have building permit changes, -3, so it's way down. Whoa, I didn't see the negative. My bad. Building permits numbers, 1.4 million, but building as a percentage change, it's down 3%. Okay, but houses are starting to sell, folks. Right now, new home sales, you saw through here, the last reading was -0.6. Now it's a +10. So the home sales are going like hotcakes. Okay, and what a lot of people are doing is, okay, what would it take me to buy a house? Well, fortunately, it's starting to hit there now. Big caption in an article that I was just reading earlier, just posted today. Homebuyers reveal how low the rate must go before they would buy a house. It's interesting to go through here. I'll put this link down below. You can go down through here and see this. And everybody's opinions are just a little bit different. We have this person right here. I'm waiting for a 5% rate. And her situation was she bought a house previously, overbid on it. She just bought it because the rates were good and she overbid and everything else. It's right in this article. She said, wow, the rates were great. She purchased right when real estate was at its peak, paying more than $100,000 over listing price, even had to borrow from her parents to get it. So don't buy a house just because of the rate, and don't not buy a house just because of the rate. If this is in your agenda, then just reach out to us. We'd love to answer any questions that you have in regards to home ownership. Another investor here is, it would take him to get rates below 6%. Here's what he says. But he definitely won't waste time before getting out there, because he's concerned that the lower rates will increase the competition, making it even more challenging for investors to buy houses. That was just another one. We'll scroll down through a couple more. This person is saying they want the houses to go under 6.5%. Well, they got it today. What's their issue? The reason we've decided not to wait any longer for the rates to decline as of this month is because it's likely that home prices will increase while mortgage rates are decreasing. I would rather buy now and refinance later. Guys, these aren't me. This is just in Yahoo Finance. Go through here, and it's article after article after article. So a lot of people are saying, okay, I'm going to start looking now, because once rates drop even further, it's going to spark activity again. Okay, so then we go over to here. What's expected from Federal Chairman Powell in regards to Jackson Hole? Well, it's right up there. It just hit the headlines. Dow nearly raises 400 points as stocks rally after Powell signals rate cuts ahead. So he must have gave the thumbs up. I'll give that in the closing bell, what he actually came out and said, and the market reactions. Right now, the CME FedWatch tool is telling us there's a 71% now that the Federal Reserve is going to cut rates by 0.25%. That's via this tool. But I want to end with this, because we know the markets. Well, let's go over to here and let's see how the markets are rallying off of this right now. Let's see the Dow Jones and everything else. Let's see what it's going at. Let's go right through here. This is simpler. Dow Jones up 400, S&P up 600, NASDAQ up 300. Cryptocurrencies probably smoking too, up 1,500. And hopefully oil is down oil's up again, but that's going to increase pressures on inflation a little bit. But I think those are starting to really trickle down as well. But here's something I want you guys to pay attention to. Please be careful what the politicians promise you. Or I won't even say promise. They're broken promises all the time. The little carrot that they dangle in front of your faces. And here's why I asked that, because we've been getting a lot of questions about the new $25,000 homebuyer assistance thing that Kamala Harris is coming out with, or trying to right through here. Kamala Harris, $25,000 down payment assistance. Well, let's not forget the last time the campaign ran. And that's right through here. Biden just recently said that they're going to give you a $10,000 credit for first-time home buyers. That hasn't came to fruition. And then back at the last cycle for the 2020 presidential election, they came up with this $15,000 tax credit for first-time home buyers, and none of this stuff went through. So please Don't let the dangling carrot in front of you sway your opinions. That's all I got to say in that piece of the puzzle. So let's get over to the bond market, see where that's going right now based on the news that we have so far. You can see the nice little spike right here. If you can't see it, this is this jump right here. This is when Federal Chairman Powell came out and must have said, yeah, we're going to cut rates. And so we saw the market spike. MBSs are up 18 right now. That means mortgage rates are probably going to drop about 0.07. Depends on how this trajectory goes through the rest of the day, but right through here, we're going to probably see we might be at 6.3 in the 6.3s here by the end of the day. So stay tuned for the closing bell. I'll come back, let you guys know how all the dust settled for the day, but so far, so good. So thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Have a fantastic afternoon. If you haven't subscribed yet, we're over 30,000 subscribers and we're at about 200 a week. So thanks to you guys out there. But if you haven't subscribed, please do me one favor. One favor I ask. I don't ask for anything else. Click right over there, the subscription button. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. So every time I post a video, you get an alert. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you want to find out more about me and my team, go to therateupdate.com. Here's all of our information. If you're looking to buy that first house, check out our grant finder programs right through here. It's really informative that you guys know all the facts behind all this stuff. So thanks for watching. See you later this afternoon.